Hello and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Jennifer, at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we're looking at your 2017 Toyota Sienna LE 8 passenger with the V6. Under the hood, you'll find a 3.5 liter V6 cylinder engine, and you'll be riding on top of 17-inch wheels. Included in your LE package is your power sliding passenger doors, your heated front seats, and your tri-zone climate control for the ultimate driving comfort. But why don't we hop on inside and take a look at your interior features. Helping you into your Sienna is your handy key fob and key. You have the lock, the unlock, as well as your power slide doors. Simply holding them will have those doors open for you. So, especially if your hands are full, you can make sure all your passengers are hopping in, get everything done at once. You also do have that panic button. And to unlock your driver's side, you press once. To unlock all 4 doors, you press twice. Opening it up now to take a look. Right away, you're greeted by a sophisticated two-tone interior. You do have plenty of storage on the side, plus you have your black trim, power windows, power locks, power adjustable side mirror. You have your traction control, as well as turning on and off the power for those sliding doors. You have your power adjustable driver's seat. And check out these well-conditioned, soft, light gray seats all throughout. That plushness really does add to the comfort. You have your sunshades installed as well. Everything about your Sienna is about the comfort of your passengers. But why don't we hop on inside and start it up. Helping you into your Sienna now and starting it up. Key in the ignition, foot on the brake. That welcome screen is going to start up here. We'll turn that fan down so you can hear me. Now we're turning on your ambient lighting. You can see that you have that white ambient lighting and your multi-information display, which your kilometers are posted at 40,201. You can control your multi-information display from your steering wheel mounted controls. You also do have your mode changers, your volume control, and you have your hands-free calling and voice command. Below here you'll find your cruise control, perfect for that highway drive. And taking a look at your LCD screen now. Opening up your applications, you can see that you have your Bluetooth audio, you have your hands-free calling, you also do have traffic and weather updates. Opening up your audio system now. You have your AM, FM radio, Sirius XM radio, your CD player on top with your USB, auxiliary, and Bluetooth audio. So you can bring your music wherever you go. Now, below here you have your tri-zone climate control, so you can set a different temperature for your driver, your passenger, and your rear passengers. You also do have your sport drive mode, your stylish shift knob, plus you have that electronic automatic climate control. Now, shifting into reverse, you can see that your backup camera also pops up on your touch panel display. And below here you can find your heated seats for both your driver and your passenger side, as well as your USB auxiliary input, 12-volt DC charger, additional cup holders because sometimes you need that extra cup of coffee in the morning. You also do have another 12-volt DC charger with in-floor storage. You have your cup holders with that ambient lighting, and in your center console a nice sophisticated system that closes smoothly. You have some additional storage in the back, as well as cup holders for your rear passengers. And inside your glove box, you'll find all the manuals you'll need to know everything there is to know about your Sienna. There's a lock, plus there's a dashboard compartment as well, because keeping things organized will just help you get by the day much easier, and there's plenty of functionality and style built right into your Sienna. But why don't we hop on back and take a look at cargo. Here we are at the back cargo area of your Sienna. Taking a closer look, you do have a back camera below to help you in and out of those tight spots. You also do have a skid plate to keep things protected. Opening up that lift gate now. Check out all that space that's available to you to store everything that you need with the bucket style cargo. Plus your third row seating is installed right now. All of the instructions are on the back to stow them away flat. You also do have additional storage on the side for your 8th passenger seat, which removes and stores nicely away for you. And you have your tools and your jack in case anything does happen on the side of the road. You'll be prepared. You have a cargo lamp on the side plus a 12-volt DC charger. But why don't we fold down these seats here and take a look at all that space.
Taking one final look at your 2017 Toyota Sienna LE 8-passenger V6 with a spacious cabin and your stowaway seating, you will definitely have no excuse but to load up the entire crew on your next adventure. Don't just take my word for it. Come on in, take it for a test drive. We are at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail.